make this mushroom burger and bun with your boy. We're gonna make the buns first with the einkorn flour, and we're gonna use the sparkling spring water. Put it about a cup and a half of that water on the stove and let it get warm. Add 2 cups of flour to a bowl. Get a little sea salt. Alright, add a little sea moss gel to it. It's gonna make it rise. Alright, when you put it in the oven, you want that consistency right there. You want to oil your pan up, and then you want to put you some on it, just like that right there. Put it in the oven by 20 minutes. Now we're gonna make the patty with the lime main mushroom and the sliced white mushroom. Chop them down real good. Add onions and bell peppers to them. Saute them first. Just like that right there. Season them up real good. You already know. Now take them out, put them in a bowl, add about a cup of flour and some sea moss gel. Make you a patty just like that right there. Alright, add it to the avocado oil. You want to just cook it till it get brown, just like that right there. Alright, take that alkaline barbecue sauce. Then you want to coat that thing just like that right there. Okay, now take your yum sauce and your bread. Alright, then you want to rub it in on the bottom. Then you want to start making your sandwich with the patty. Then you got your lettuce, tomato, your onion. Now you already know. Take a bite with your